oil shot out of there like a bullet. Woo! Holy heck. And now, just getting that filter loose so that we can change that sucker out too, as comes with any oil change. And trust me guys, if I can do this, you can certainly do it. So now we have lubed up the new filter, screwing it on. Still got a few drops coming, nothing too terrible. And voila, new filter, new oil. Well, I'm about to add it, but oil, old oil, drain. Now, putting in the beautiful new oil. So it'll take a few tries to get the whole sucker full. And that is the final step. Lubed up filter in the bottom now, old oil out, new oil in, done. The only real negative, sarcastic perk of doing this is what happened to me earlier, getting oil all over you. That's what happens when you don't set up entirely properly. So that's as easy as changing your oil.